Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience. Hi everyone, today we have with us Andrew Princep, who is a Keeley Rutherford Junior Research Fellow at the Oxford University. Hi Andrew, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
Good, good. Excited to speak with you. All right, let's begin with understanding your research. Could you explain your research in super simple words to us?
Yeah, okay. So I use beams of neutrons and X-rays to look at the way atoms are behaving inside materials. So by trying to get a detailed look at the arrangement of the atoms in a material and the way the atoms interact with each other, we can try and understand why a material has a specific set of properties. And eventually we can hopefully use that knowledge to design new materials which have properties that we want that we can use for a specific purpose.
Okay, that sounds super interesting. Awesome. And what can the followers expect in the week that you will be curating the Real Sci Nano Twitter account?
So during my week, I'm going to tweet a little bit about my journey from high school to academia and the things that I've encountered along the way, and a little bit what it's like for me in academia. And I'll talk a bit about the science of crystals, what crystals are and why we're interested in them, how magnetism works. And then towards the end of that week, I'll be attending two different conferences. One will be the Frontiers in Condensed Matter Physics conference, which will be hardcore materials and physics. And then on Friday, I'll be attending the LGBT Seminar, which is a big conference in the UK every year where LGBT scientists come from all over and talk about all kinds of different weird and wild science that they do. And I think people can expect quite a big contrast between those two events.
Okay, wonderful. Looking forward to the tweets, especially on Thursday and Friday.
Yeah.
That's going to be interesting. Okay, wonderful. Then we look forward to having you and reading your tweets on Real Sci Nano. Thank you very much for speaking with us.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.